How important is the balance of spirituality with ecology?
Considering that we also commune with nature spirits, especially water spirits in this spiritual house, it is very important to conserve nature. It's not just important, it's a spiritual duty, right? So you will find me in all of the advocacy, right? Mining on the Rio Grande, the reopening of the Blue Lagoon, all of that we focus on because these are sacred spaces for us. It's not just enjoyment and swimming, it's sacred for us.